Okay, ladies and germs, I had to go back to the metal shop real fast, but I think I've got this thing understanding of what Jack was trying to say here. Let's see if we can do this or not. Okay, so we're set up. We have our two fingers out. See there? We have our two fingers out. We're going to give it a shot. We have our two fingers out still. Oh shoot, I got to reset the tool here. Alright. Alright. I don't know how you come up with these ideas, Jack. Alright, man, we're going to give it a shot again. Here we go. We got fingers in the sky. The lock is straight up and down. Now I hope this is the correct procedure now, because my finger just still up. Ain't that some funny stuff? Wow. Oh, my finger just touched the lock. Let me start over again. Yep, it works like $1 million. I wonder how come I can't. Alright, here we go again. You see I got the Bible on top. Alright, here we go again now. This is some strange pickings. And I've just opened it up here, I think, didn't I? No, it ain't going to open up for us. There it is. I hope that's done correctly. I hope that's done correctly. But I went to the metal shop and hacked out the top of the keyway tool. And I hope it's, correct. I mean, it is a challenge. I'll damn sure give you that. There it is again. Top of the, or I got the Bible on top. But yeah, I had to go out to the shop and make myself a top of the keyway tool. And let's take this baby apart, shall we? So you can see the 2 security pins in there. I don't care how many minutes it is. Where's my pinning tray? There it is. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Alright. Let's see here. We want people to be able to keep an eye on it, that's for sure. Alright. Here we go. We just dump them. I'm not going to worry about it. Alright. Whoops. Let's take that core out of there. Let me see here. Dadgummit. There you go. There's a serrated, there's a spool, and there's a kind of a scrapey serrated. The rest of them are standard. So there you go, Jack. I hope I done it right this time, brother. Anyway, thank you for the challenge. It was really a challenge, and I appreciate it. I appreciate you setting me straight, brother. Talk to you later.